Scooby is building with identical cubic blocks. After building a few rows, here's the structure below. Okay, so here's our structure. Calculate the number of blocks he will use to build his 15th row. Well, what we can see here is like, okay, the first row is 1 block, then the next row, 3, then 5, then 7. So we need that general term over there, and what we can see there is that it's, well, a common difference is 2. We're just adding 2 to generate the next block. Yeah, so that's 2n. And then, well, how do we get to the first term? Well, we just subtract 1. There. Ta-da. Or you can use the formula on the formula sheet. Nobody's stopping that. However, we need to know how many blocks are contained in the 15th row. So that means we want the 15th term, and that's just going to be 2 times 15, subtract 1, which gives us, ta-da, 29. For B, we need to know how many blocks he will use if the total, in total, if he continues to 30 rows. How many blocks will he use in total if he continues to 30 rows? That means we now want to add all the blocks up to whatever the 30th row is. So let's just see how many blocks we have in row 30. So that's just going to be 2 times 30 minus 1, and that 60 minus 1, that gives us 59. So the sum up to 30 rows is going to equal, well, n over 2. Let's generalize that first. We know if we want to summate all those rows, just n over 2 multiplied by the first term added to the last term, and that's equal to, well, that will mean sum to 30 to, well, 30 over 2. That's for that term. And our first term in row 1 is 1 block, plus we just calculated how many blocks there are in row 30. That is 59. So that gives us 15 times 60. 15 times 60. And that's just equal to, well, 900 blocks. Shlubi has patience.
That's it?
That's it.